Good morning, everyone. Steve Georgia here from Allendale's Trading Floor. It is November 7th. Once again, kind of quiet markets overnight. All eyes are on the report on Thursday. Some of the expectations for bean carryout to drop a little bit down to 420 million carryout. For corn, though, still a big number. 2.366 is your average guess there. And then for wheat at 957. So still some big numbers, but very quiet markets currently. Waiting to see what kind of change we may get from USDA. Some of the outside markets maybe not influencing too much here today. You got the dollars still chopping back and forth. The Dow up again, another new highs there, continuing to push higher. Corn continues to chop around that 350 mark. We are 70% done, complete as far as harvest. Beans pretty well wrapped up, over 90% complete for beans. And so there's a point where the market stops caring too much about finishing harvest. That becomes more of a farming issue. The market starts finding something else. How do funds want to be positioned? Where are they going to be? How do they want to finish out the end of the month? We do have a seasonal on beans that by the end of the month, we tend to see beans. You buy beans at the middle of this month and you sell them before the end of the year. And so that is a seasonal that a lot of guys are starting to talk about. So watch for that. But it's all going to be demand driven. Will we continue to see strong demand for corn and beans? We've seen that over the last few weeks. We had another sale of over 130,000 corn to unknown this morning. So the idea is that this demand is going to need to remain strong and really continue to show this strength in order to get the markets to move. We're very sideways right now, especially for corn. This 350 area for December is very hard for us to move past. And so we need to find something to generate a different opinion. Even though these funds continue to get shorter and shorter as far as corn, we still are not driving anywhere off of this 350. So what's going to happen here when they decide, hey, I just don't want to be short anymore? There's an opportunity that we may get a little bit of a bounce, but they're not going to do that until we get some kind of a story. And so with news as light as it is right now, we'll see where we go. Even the outside markets today, rather quiet. Crude oil, though, pushing to highs that we were back the early part of January. And so we'll see if we can continue to push through that or what kind of effects that we have. But right now, today, things are quiet. Guys are going to be watching this report on Thursday at 11 o'clock. And so we'll bring you those numbers here as soon as we get those as well. But call us if you have any questions. We're here to help you out at 800-262-7538 or on the web at allendale-inc.com. Hope you guys have a great day today. We'll chat again with you tomorrow. Take care.